What's up, world? What's up, YouTube, Telegram, Discord, wherever you at around the world? Crypto Cardi back again with another video. This one's called How to Trade Like a Pro. Now, this is pretty much like a part two to how to trade crypto like a pro. So I'm gonna leave that description, and I'm gonna leave that link in the description so you can understand how to use the Market Cipher. But let me show you the tweak I added to the momentum strategy I have. So I have the VWAP indicator, which I'll bring up here in my list here. So the VWAP indicator is right here. I have Bollinger Bands, EMA 13 and EMA 34. This is the Market Cipher B. This one is a paid indicator by CryptoFace. I'll have the link in the description if you want that. If you want the free one, pay attention to me right here. This is my favorites, but you can search for Wave Trend Oscillator by Madhu. Now watch this. When I select it, it's identical. All right. Now watch how we're going to use it. So it's a little different. It's going to be nice and easy for you guys. So I'm going to show you on a Forex pair, a stock, and a crypto. So this is Euro AUD, a Forex pair, right? So people in my group Chart Champions, they know that I only, when it comes to the dots on the Market Cipher, I only sell the bottom dots or dots on the zero line, same as buy dots on the middle line or top dots. Because when waves are down, price is down, as you can see. When waves are up, like here, price is up, as you can see a little bit there. So, but here's the tweak. So if I'm selling, right, I want the EMA's Bollinger Band, the middle of it, the VWAP to be on top of price like it is here. But the key is to know, like, you're getting a good sell is this is a volume indicator on the actual oscillator or Market Cipher. When it's super red and you get a sell dot, it's super strong. Make sure it's underneath everything. And look at this right here. Let's see. So this dot stated on 2.5. Look how much this thing sold, right? Let's measure this. This is 339 pips if you swung it from 16 days. This is a straight up swing sell. And this is strong sell volume because there's no momentum waves up. You got the strong, you got the deep red here, so it's going to be a strong sell. And boom, you take the sell. Let's look at another pair. You know what I mean? I think it's loading right there. We'll jump back to that real quick. Whoever comes first. All right, we'll do Bitcoin real quick. Oh, that's loading right there. This is Bitcoin. So same thing. If we're buying, we want price to be on top of the EMAs, Bollinger Bands, and the VWAP. And these are one of the stronger dots here. There's no momentum waves down. We got some green volume, strong buy volume. Got a green dot here. Price was 50,400 and dated March 8th. And take a look at this. And 2 days later, 3 days later, we're at 57,000. Strong volume. Now let's go to something else here. Let's see if oil's here. I got oil and I got, here we go. We caught oil this morning on Chart Champions. This is off the 2 hour here. So this has got more room to go down. But I caught off the 30-minute earlier for a nice entry, which I'll show you. Boom. So we caught this entry this morning. If you look here, there's no momentum waves, no blue waves up, right? Nice red dot came here. And look at that, $64 to 58. And this is the same day, 318 at 8 o'clock in the morning to 1500, whatever time that is. I can't think right now. But this was a meltdown. This was, so oil, right? Each dollar it moves, it's 100 pips. So from 64 to 60 alone is 400 pips. And this is all in one day, just seeing the volume. Like you see here, it's sold. This is one of the dots I would sell. It's under everything, but it didn't move like that. The volume was here. That's the power of it, you know, and you can see in other time frames how it played out, you know. Like look how beautiful it just exploded here. 2 hours looks great. What else we got here? I think we got our stock here, Tesla. just to show you that it works on everything. Let's get rid of this. Look here, look here actually, let's go back a little bit, right? Let's move the chart a little bit. There we go. So you see this weight, the volume was going down and price went down a little bit. Then it chilled a little bit, got some nice buys, nothing crazy. But then once we got like here, right, you saw volume creep up, the green, got one of the strong green dots. Price was 162 on June 1st. And then let's just keep, look, let's go right here. This is, so 1 month, doubled, the stock doubled in 1 month. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, the volume is crazy. It's powerful. So what you can do is, you know, this will help you take less trades and find high probability trades. You know what I mean? Just by looking at the volume and matching it up with your confluence. So when prices on top of EMAs, Bollinger Band, the middle, the red here is the middle of the Bollinger Band, and the VWAP, you can't see it here, but it's actually in line with the Bollinger Band base. It's a wrap. So the volume plays like a launch pad. You know, when it's that strong and it's sitting there, it's going to launch. Or if it's, you know, looking like a sell, it's going to launch down. So this will help you catch a lot of pips if you're trading Forex or if you're buying stocks or buying crypto, a lot of movements. You know, it's going to get you out of a lot of these silly trades. Like, look here, I would buy something like this, right? But there's no volume right here. The buy volume is not here. So if I bought this, right, let's see, 50, 65.86 to the top of this candle, 66.33. It's not bad. It's like 80 pips, but, you know, it got choppy. But if you got, you know, here, like look even here, a lot of volume. Let's look. Price was, let's see, 65.12, and it got up to 60, 69, 68. So that's 300 pips. So you got more of a move. And with catching the volume, right, if you're late, you still got a little bit of room to make some money, you know, all these pairs. So definitely, you know, use the volume on this. If you can't get Market Cipher, get the free wave trend oscillator. Like, it's literally the same thing. Watch this now. Let's throw it on there. You know, whenever, if it wants to wake up here. My trading view is sleeping. Let's see. You go to Madu. There you go. You know what I mean? It's going to come. Boom. Close you out. Just to show you it's the same thing. Got the volume. Boom. You know? Let's go to the 30 minute. That's where I caught it this morning for chart champions. Boom. Deep in the red. And it looked like it's a sniper entry right here if you look at it. You know what I mean? And you know it's good when the EMAs like cross through the candles. You know it's strong. Yeah. So that's pretty much it, man. Just if you're selling, make sure the EMAs are above price is below. Make sure you got some value. Make sure you got a strong dot, and that's it. You know. And if you caught this 400 pip move, 400 plus pip move, you don't got to trade every day. You're good for the week. So that's all I got for y'all today. Basic way to how to trade like a pro. I'm going to leave the link to my trade group, Chart Champions. We're going to start charging soon. So it's going to be a private group soon. Whoever's in there is grandfathered. So definitely join. If you like my content, like and subscribe. I'm going to post a link to Crypto Face's stuff. Like I said, his Market Cipher. And also my first video on how to trade crypto like a pro, where I go in details on which patterns are strong and what not with this. So I'm going to leave you guys like that. I'll catch y'all later, world.